Now that we have our backend created, we can start displaying the pages on the front end. Open index.php, and first thing we're going to be doing is we'll create a few record sets for our navigations and for our content. So go to the bindings panel, click on the plus sign and select record set. First record set we're going to call it RS top nav. We'll be populating records from the table pages. The only two things we need is page ID and page link. We want to sort them by PG order in the ascending order, and filter we want the PG nav, the entered value to be equal, and now we need to go back to our database and check what ID has our top navigation. So if we go to table nav, click on browse, and the top one has ID of 1. So this is what we're going to type in here. Entered value equals 1. Click on OK. Okay, another record set will be for the main navigation, so rs main nav. Same thing, table pages, page ID and page link, ascending order, and filter not page ID, page nav, entered value. Now again, main navigation, let's check. Main has ID of 2, so the value needs to be 2. Click on OK. Another record set for the bottom navigation, rs bot nav, from a table pages, page ID and link, page order in the ascending, and page nav, entered value equals bottom has 3, so it has to be 3, and OK. Now the last thing is the record set for the content, so record set PG rs content. From a table pages we populate everything, and we leave this as default, so click on OK. Now we need to slightly modify this statement manually. So if we type in where condition, where PG ID equals P variable, which we'll create in just a minute. Now another thing we need to do, obviously our main navigation can only have no more than 5 links displayed. So main nav, we're going to limit the number of displayed links by 5. Top navigation, we can apply a limit as well. Let's make it limit of 5 as well. And the bottom one, if we limit by 7, perhaps, that should be fine. So now if we try to test the page, obviously we won't see anything yet, but just to make sure that we don't have any errors, and we do have errors, so let's quickly check what's going on here. Near closing statement, so that's somewhere here. I presume that this is this ID here. If I remove this, yes, the page displays fine, and this is just because we still haven't got our variable defined. So if we leave it like this for now, we'll get back to this in the following videos.